Okay, so simplifying the fraction. For example, you've got 25 over 50. Simplifying a fraction is by rewriting the fraction using the smallest top and bottom number that we can. So for example, 25 over 50, we can rewrite that as 1 over 2, because 25 is half of 50. So let's continue this idea by looking at 1 over 2. And now we add in more lines to make it a bit more complicated. The area of the rectangle is still 1/2, but the fraction is now 3 over 6, which is still the same. This number is bigger because it's been divided into more parts, but the value of the fraction is still the same. If we focus more on this fraction here, 3 over 6, to simplify the fraction, we are going to use our factoring skills. So the top number, 3, is a prime number, and that can only be made by doing 3 times 1. And the bottom number, our denominator, that can be made by 6 times 1 and 3 times 2. However, the factor, the highest common factor, which is used in both, is the number 3. So what you have to do to the top number, you have to do it to the bottom number. So we can simplify 3 by dividing by 3, and we can simplify the 6 by dividing by 3 as well. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And that is how we simplify fractions using the factor method. So let's look at 6 over 20. So the procedure we're going to look at is we're going to be looking for the highest common factor between each number. So 6 can be made by 6 times 1, 3 times 2. 20 can be made by 4 times 5, 2 times 10, and 20 times 1. The common factor here is not 6, because 6 cannot be multiplied by any other whole number to make 20. It is not 3, because 20 cannot be made by multiplying 3 by a whole number. It is not 4, because 6 cannot be made by multiplying by another whole number. It's not 5, because 5 cannot be multiplied by another number to make 6, and so on. So the highest common factor here is 2. So we're going to get rid of the other numbers. And we can divide. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. So the simplest way we can write 6 over 20 is 3 over 10. And we did that again by using the factor method.